Now we will prove theorem number 10.1. Here you have to prove equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. So what we are given? First diagram. So one circle is given, and in a circle with center O, equal chords of a circle. So two equal chords are given. So in circle with center O, two equal chords means length of two chords are equal. So chord AB and chord CD are two equal chords. The length of this chord AB and CD are equal. So AB and CD are two equal chords of circle with center O is given. So first we will write given. So what we are given? AB and CD are two equal chords of circle with center O. So AB and CD, or we can say chord AB and chord CD, are two equal chords of circle with center O. Here circle with center O is given. For this circle, AB and CD are two equal chords. Equal chords means length of these two chords are equal. What is chord? Chord is the line segment. It's a line segment joining 2 points on a circle. So this line segment joining point A and point B, and this line segment joining point C and point D on a circle. Done? So these two equal chords are given. What you have to prove? What you have to prove? Two equal chords of a circle subtend equal angle. Now what is the meaning of subtend? Subtend mean to form, है ना, मतलब बनाना मतलब वो इंग्लिश वाला बनाना नहीं, हिंदी वाला बनाना, टू मेक, है ना. सो टू इक्वल कोर्ड्स ऑफ सर्कल मेकिंग, है ना, मेकिंग આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો બનાવવું. શું બનાવે છે? ઇક્વલ એંગલ એટ ધ સેન્ટર. સો એંગલ સબટેન્ડેડ બાય ધીસ AB એટ સેન્ટર O is, that means chord AB सेंटर O पर एक एंगल बना रही है. That angle is AOB. Angle subtended by this chord AB, that is angle AOB, and angle subtended by this chord CD at center O is angle COD. So these are the angles subtended by these two chords at the center. Done? And we have to prove these two angles are equal. Which two angles? Angles subtended by these two chords at center. So angle AOC, this one, angle AOC is equal to angle COD. That you have to prove. These two angles are equal, वो हमें प्रूव करना है. So let's start with our proof. So proof starts from given and it will end with to prove. So AB and CD are two equal chords of circle with center O. So first you have to write chord AB and chord CD are two equal chords of circle with center O. So two equal chords are there. So length of chord AB and CD both are equal. Say result number 1, है ना. This chord AB and CD are equal. So these two chords are equal. Their length are equal. So AB equal to CD. Now we'll consider two triangles. Two triangles are there. Triangle AOB and triangle COD. So now in a triangle AOB and triangle COD will prove these two triangles congruent triangle, है ना, मुझे तो पहले से ही दिख रहा है, आपको दिखाना है. So these two triangles are congruent triangle. Why? Because this OA equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. What is OA? OA is the radius of circle. What is OC? Radius of circle. So radius of same circle are equal. So these are the radii of the circle. What is radii? It's a plural word used for the radius. So radii of circle. रेडियस ऑफ द सेम सर्कल, एक ही रेडियस, एक ही सर्कल के कोई भी रेडियस ले लो, सेम लेंथ की होगी. सो रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. देन दिस टू कोरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ओ बी इक्वल टू ओ डी. यहाँ पर सीधा आप लिख सकते हो ओ बी इक्वल टू ओ डी. ओ बी इक्वल टू ओ डी. अगेन सेम रीजन, रेडियई ऑफ सर्कल. Done. And these two are equal. It is given AB equal to, है ना, ये दोनों AB and CD. AB equal to CD from result 1, or we can say it's a given. Two chord of same length are given. So here we can say that corresponding part of these two triangles are equal. All corresponding sides of the triangles are equal, and therefore we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by side rule. These two triangles are congruent triangles by side criteria. All corresponding sides are equal. So two triangles are congruent triangles. If two triangles are congruent triangles, we have studied that all corresponding parts are equal, all three sides and all three corresponding angles are equal. So here these corresponding angles are angle AOB equal to angle COD by Shilpa-Shetty, है ना, by Shilpa-Shetty, by CP-Shetty. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal when two triangles are congruent triangles, and that we have to prove. AOB equal to COD. AOB equal to COD. यहाँ पर AOB आएगा. AOB equal to COD. Clear students? Pause the video and note it down.